Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about the top 7 best Aliexpress smartwatch. We've spent hours researching and testing various smartwatch to bring you this comprehensive list. All the links of the smartwatch are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Sacosding SmartWatch, the perfect blend of style and functionality for the modern man. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this smartwatch is a game-changer in the world of wearable technology. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Firstly, the Sacosding SmartWatch is equipped with a powerful 4G RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking a breeze. Featuring a high-resolution 466 multiplied by 466 screen, this smartwatch provides a crystal-clear display, allowing you to effortlessly read the time and navigate through the interface. Designed for men, the Sacosding SmartWatch combines sophistication and functionality. It is the perfect accessory to complement your style and enhance your everyday life. Stay connected at all times with the Bluetooth call feature. Make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch, keeping your hands free and making communication more convenient than ever. Want to enjoy your favorite tunes while on the go? The Sacosding SmartWatch allows you to store and listen to your local music directly from your wrist, eliminating the need for additional devices. Compatible with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. Stay connected, receive notifications, and control various smartphone functions, all from your wrist. With a wide variety of clock designs available, customize your smartwatch to match your mood and style, ensuring that it always reflects your individuality. Elevate your timekeeping experience with the Sacosding SmartWatch. Stay connected, embrace style, and enjoy the convenience of this remarkable piece of wearable technology. Get yours today and discover the future of smartwatches. Introducing the SmartWatch Women Series 8, the perfect blend of style and technology specifically designed for women. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual, this smartwatch caters to all your needs. Equipped with a vibrant 2.0 screen, you'll have access to a wealth of information right on your wrist. Experience the convenience of Bluetooth call functionality, allowing you to make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch. Keep track of your heart rate with the built-in heart rate monitor, providing you with real-time data to optimize your workouts. Managing your health is easier than ever with the blood pressure monitoring feature, ensuring you stay on top of your well-being. And don't worry, gentlemen, the SmartWatch Women Series 8 is not limited to just women, it's a smartwatch for all. Customize your smartwatch to match your style with an extensive range of beautiful watch faces and interchangeable straps. Take control of your fitness goals by using the SmartWatch Women Series 8 to track your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. Stay connected throughout the day with smart notifications, so you never miss an important message or call. The SmartWatch Women Series 8, the epitome of style, functionality, and convenience. Elevate your everyday with this exceptional smartwatch. Introducing the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch, the ultimate wearable technology that combines advanced features to keep track of your health like never before. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its ECG and PPG sensors, allowing you to accurately monitor your heart rate and track any irregularities. Whether you're exercising, resting, or simply going about your day, the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch continuously measures your heart rate, providing real-time data to help you optimize your workouts and ensure your heart health. But that's not all. This smartwatch also features an innovative blood pressure monitor, enabling you to track your blood pressure levels on the go. No more bulky apparatus or frequent trips to the doctor. With a simple tap, you can have an accurate reading right on your wrist. Additionally, our smartwatch comes equipped with a precise body temperature monitor. Perfect for these times we live in, you can effortlessly monitor your temperature and keep track of any fluctuations. Our smartwatch goes beyond the basics by providing heart rate variability, HRV data. It helps you understand your body's stress levels, allowing you to make informed decisions about managing your well-being. And for individuals with diabetes or those who want to maintain a healthy blood sugar level, our smartwatch includes a blood sugar monitoring feature. No more pinpricks or expensive test strips. All the health data collected by the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch seamlessly syncs with your smartphone, allowing you to have a comprehensive overview of your health at all times. So, if you're ready to take control of your health in a convenient and stylish way, look no further than the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch. Live healthy, live better. Introducing the Health Tracker SmartWatch, your ultimate companion for a healthier and more active lifestyle. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this smartwatch is here to revolutionize the way you monitor your health. The Health Tracker SmartWatch comes equipped with laser treatment 3 high technology. This innovative feature allows for non-invasive laser treatments, giving you the convenience of a spa-like experience right on your wrist. Say goodbye to tired and sore muscles and welcome fast and efficient recovery. But that's not all. The Health Tracker smartwatch is also armed with ECG and PPG sensors, enabling you to monitor your heart rate with precision. Whether you're working out or resting, this watch keeps you informed about your cardiovascular health, empowering you to make better choices and take control of your well-being. Moreover, our smartwatch provides you with essential information about your blood sugar levels. With just a glance at your wrist, you can easily keep track of your glucose levels, making it a valuable tool for individuals managing diabetes or those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But what truly sets the Health Tracker smartwatch apart from the competition is its comprehensive health tracking capabilities. It monitors your steps, calories burned, distance covered, and even your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal health coach right on your wrist, guiding you towards a fitter and more balanced life. The Health Tracker smartwatch, the ultimate fusion of health, technology, and style. It's time to take charge of your well-being. Get yours today and experience a game-changing journey towards a healthier you. Health Tracker smartwatch, your health, our priority. Introducing the Kavsumi SmartWatch, the ultimate wearable technology that combines modern style with advanced health features. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply looking to stay on top of your health, the Kavsumi SmartWatch has got you covered. Let's dive into some of its incredible features. The Kavsumi SmartWatch boasts a full touchscreen display, providing a sleek and intuitive interface for easy navigation. But what sets this watch apart from others is its innovative, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring feature. Through cutting-edge technology, the Kavsumi smartwatch tracks your blood glucose levels without the need for pricking your finger or using any invasive methods. Simply wear the watch, and it continuously keeps track of your blood glucose levels throughout the day, giving you real-time updates right at your fingertips. The Kavsumi smartwatch is also equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly pair it with your Android or iOS device. Stay connected with ease as you receive notifications, messages, and calls directly on your wrist, so you never miss an important update or a moment. And if you're a fitness enthusiast, the Kavsumi smartwatch has you covered too. It features sport and fitness tracking capabilities, allowing you to monitor your steps, calories burned, distance covered, and even your heart rate. Whether you're at work or enjoying some downtime, the Kavsumi smartwatch seamlessly blends into any social situation with its sleek and modern design. From workouts to workdays, hiking to socializing, the Kavsumi smartwatch is your perfect companion for a healthy and connected lifestyle. Kavsumi smartwatch, advanced technology meets style and health in one incredible timepiece. Upgrade your wristwear today. Introducing the Kavsumi HK95 AMOLED smartwatch, a state-of-the-art wearable technology that combines style, functionality, and convenience all in one device. This ultra-smart watch is designed to cater to both men and women, offering a sleek and modern design suitable for any occasion. The HK95 boasts a vibrant AMOLED screen that brings your watch faces to life, providing crisp and vivid visuals with every glance. With Bluetooth connectivity, this smartwatch seamlessly pairs with your smartphone, allowing you to receive and make calls without having to reach for your phone. Stay connected and never miss an important call with the Kavsumi HK95. Monitoring your health is made easy with the built-in heart rate sensor. Get real-time insights into your heart rate during workouts, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additionally, the HK95 features a blood oxygen level monitor, providing you with essential data to understand your body's oxygen saturation and overall wellness. Don't let the elements hold you back. The HK95 is waterproof, allowing you to take it with you during your swimming sessions or even in the rain. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple cards. With the built-in NFC, simply tap your smartwatch to make quick and secure payments. Elevate your everyday life with the Kavsumi HK95 AMOLED smartwatch. Experience the perfect blend of style, advanced technology. Introducing the Smartwatch Women Series 8, the perfect blend of style and technology specifically designed for women. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual, this smartwatch caters to all your needs. Equipped with a vibrant 2.0 screen, you'll have access to a wealth of information right on your wrist. Experience the convenience of Bluetooth call functionality, allowing you to make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch. Keep track of your heart rate with the built-in heart rate monitor, providing you with real-time data to optimize your workouts. Managing your health is easier than ever with the blood pressure monitoring feature, ensuring you stay on top of your well-being. And don't worry, gentlemen, the Smartwatch Women Series 8 is not limited to just women, it's a smart watch for all. Customize your smartwatch to match your style with an extensive range of beautiful watch faces and interchangeable straps. Take control of your fitness goals by using the SmartWatch Women Series 8 to track your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. Stay connected throughout the day with smart notifications so you never miss an important message or call. The SmartWatch Women Series 8, the epitome of style, functionality, and convenience. Elevate your everyday with this exceptional smartwatch. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.